I'm back. The other video cut out because I accidentally turned off my phone, so this is part 2. Get back here! No. 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 Oh no, chase me! Hey, come here already. No. No. Okay, good. Oh no, chase me. Ow. It hurts. Get over here. I got you. Hey! No! I swear. Okay. Right, Leah? Say hi. Say hi. Oh, don't lick it! Okay. Ready? Wait. No! Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good, guys. We're good. It's stuck. It's stuck. The peasant is stuck. This is not animal cruelty, right? No, we're gonna release it, guys. This is a fort. Just like I made another video on the really old. This is an animal cruelty. It will be released. Okay, I swear. I will even make a video of it being released, just for legal reasons. Just in case, you never can be too sure. Why are you sad? She's not sad, I swear. Okay, if I somehow... Okay, this is... Look, guys. This looks like it's falling over. Let me push that. Oh, no, it's falling. Leah, can you stop pushing it? Here, just in case it does end up falling while I leave, I'm gonna put this right here. Oh, and just to be nice, I'll give her a little blanket. She loves blankets. Is she liking it? I don't know. I'm doing something else right now. I can't see. I guess I'll look at it when it uploads. Oh, I'm looking at it right now. It's okay. She's totally not looking for a way to escape. Oh, oh, did you escape? Oh, come on. Come here.
Que puede ser peligrosísimo teniendo en cuenta de que Henry Marty se mueve muy bien en el área.
The sound of my grippers. Soccer. Actually, I'm curious. I'm gonna go watch. He just cussed in Spanish, and I cut it out, I hope. Well, it worked until I found our problem. You know what? This is actually pretty cozy. It's solid hide and speak. Hide and speak spot. This is solid hide and seek spot, dude. I'm really small, so guys, I am 6 years old. No, I'm 10. Oh, really? I'm 20. I'm like, my brain is gone, guys. Please help me. Please. The reason I'm not looking in the camera most of these videos because I keep looking at myself, and when I'm looking at myself, it's not looking into the camera. Right now, I'm looking into the camera. Right now, I'm looking in my eyes, and it's not looking into the camera. Like right now. Oh my god! Remember look at the time and your battery. I'm gonna do it. Ready? Did I do it? Wait, let me try it again. Oh, I took a video. I didn't cut it. That's the cut button. Yeah. I'm losing my mind. Okay, that's weird. That's actually just weird. Bro, look, I'm literally singing crisscross apple. Whatever. Right here. Look how much space I have, guys. Look at this. Look at this spacious room. Oh, she's back. Can you guys see her? You guys be my CCTV camera. Oh, it's falling. Yeah, you guys be my CC camera thingy. You guys tell me if she's there or not. Oh, shoot my wall. My first layer of protection. Okay, that's good. Oh, I can see her. She's coming for me. Guys, she's coming for me. Wait. Guys, shh. The dinosaur. Here, you guys check. I probably went upside down for you guys. Shh. Is it there? Oh, it is. Where'd it go? Where did it go? You guys sit there. Yo, bro, I'm playing FNAF. This is the new... Oh, guys, what's up? Back with another FNAF vid. They updated the office, and it's in real life. Anyways, yeah, I'm losing my mind. Just keep... Is she there? Leia! You guys see her? Wait, I'm gonna escape. Why do I shush you guys? Like, it's such a weird TikTok thing that everybody does, and it doesn't make sense. Leia! I have a treat. Okay, so I took a dog. Oh shoot, wait, can't fell. So I took a dog treat. And oh, bro, the door my mom was just open. I'm closing the door. I gotta save battery. Oh shoot, the animatronics coming in. Look at the treats. Okay, I'm gonna put it exactly right in this corner. Like, no, go through the other way, Leia. It's over here. Look. This is scary. Scared. Shh. She can't see us if we can't move. Oh my god. Treat? Yo, wait, bro, I didn't even think of full boxed in Fortnite right now. I got Pokemon. W-keyed. Look, Leia. Come gobble it. I'm gonna place it right there. My goal is to not give her the treat. And then she starts barking. That's gonna be it for today's videos, I guess. This is my first 2 videos. Not really. There's supposed to be one part I accidentally closed my phone, so it stopped the recording. But I hope you guys like this big video. Guess I'm gonna stop it before 10 minutes. That way I can actually read it. Okay, bye guys. Been Monkey Reacts. Subscribe. Like and subscribe. And I'll give you a cookie. Bye.